Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom, and today is Wednesday, the 22nd of November. We are off. Today we have a half day, so it's very quiet. I'm going to update the spreadsheet. It's literally just a couple days, and then we have Thursday, Friday off, and then we start back full week on Monday. All right, so let's get to it. So I just counted. Let's see, I have some notes. So on the 17th, we have this week, Thursday, Friday, I had 11, 17. So I had 17. So the 13th, I had $17. And then I just checked it today, which is still, it's 11.22. So we're going to do 17 plus, and there was 10.75. So that's a total 27.75. So it looks like we had Thursday and Friday on my notes. So with this last video, I don't know what day. I know it's week of 11/13, so I think I must have made that video on Wednesday. And then, so I did Thursday and Friday was $17 in this week. And then it goes to this week, just that Monday, Tuesday, $10.75. So we're going to kind of get a little bit more organized and just do it like Fridays and just count. My class next week will start Microsoft Excel. So Monday I'm going to introduce Excel. So by that Friday, I'm going to have them all updating, and we'll do it on Fridays. The videos on Fridays. So we'll do it weekly on Fridays, and then we'll update the spreadsheet. As far as notes, we ordered, let's see, so I'm just going to put like November 11, 22. It was a short week. We had Thanksgiving. Then we have, it was like, was it 2 days? 2 days was like 10.75 and $17 last Thursday and Friday, if that makes sense to you guys. All right. So, and then we're going to week of 11. Let me look at the calendar. So week of 11/27, class starts Excel. And then Fridays, they're going to be updating. So it's not going to be me. I'm just going to show you the spreadsheet of what they did. And they're just going to be learning how to use Excel. I might have them on a second spreadsheet, do something very similar where they're tracking their sales, weekly sales, whether it's selling mac and cheese cups, getting a hot cold dispenser, or if it's keeping track of snack sales. We have one student who's selling these Nigerian snacks, chin-chins, another student selling Tristy's Treats, her chocolate-covered pretzels. So we're going to have some other spreadsheets we can help them create, design, and then keep track of their sales. All right, so that's our update. We're getting the profit down, so hopefully let's just let's say next week we go with 25. I'm just curious to see, plug in this straight down. When is this machine going to get paid off? When are we going to start making profit? Considering we got a lot of gumballs and everything's stacked. All right, so 300 So let's just close out of that. Clear contents. All right, so a profit of $100 in like April, considering we're not buying anything else. And this quantity will last us. So we'll see how we do with the gumballs. Like I said, we're not going to be buying anything. And then you could play around with the spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is on thecoolclassroom.com. And then you're going to click on lesson plans, and the code is Nike. So we're going to have all the spreadsheets we use. It's all going to be free. So just log on to our class website and then put the code, and then you'll have access to all these files. All right. So you can open up your own business, keep track of your sales, and play with the numbers here. It's kind of fun once you play with the numbers, and then you kind of, Excel does the work for you. So, and then sometimes you could have a $30 week. I know we've had that in the past. We'll see. I could start opening up my door, letting students come in between classes. Right now, the only times they can come in. One second. All right. So as I was saying, the only times they can come into my classroom is when I'm teaching. So if I'm teaching second and third period, in between second and third, they can come. If I'm not teaching, let's say fourth period, so after third, I lock my door. And then they can't come at all in between. Even like the lunch periods, they can't. So it's very limited. And that's why you see the drop in numbers and these numbers. Imagine if my door was always open, it would just probably be chaotic if they knew that, only because they would come with passes from other teachers going to the bathroom. And I know they would probably stop by the classroom if my door was unlocked to just go buy some Skittles. So something to keep in mind when you have your business, as far as when you have more traffic on certain days, on certain times, whether it's after lunch or whatever's convenient. So even if you place this gumball machine, let's say at a laundromat, maybe the weekends might be a little bit more busier than during the week. Or if it's in a school where kids are in a setting next to a Carvel ice cream shop, let's say, and a lot of kids like ice cream. They buy ice cream, they'll see the gumball machine. So keep that in mind. As you hopefully start your business, whether it's gumballs, selling treats, or anything. All right, hope this helps, and enjoy your Thanksgiving. Until next time. All right, we'll update this next week, Friday. Thanks. Bye.